Hello students, this is the third part in the series of Vedic Mathematics. So in this video I am going to tell you that how to square the numbers between 50 and 60. So in order to square such numbers, there are two steps. So what is the first step? I have already written it here. Add 25 to the digits in the unit place and put it as the left part of the answer. So this is the first rule. First step I mean to say. And second step is square the digit in the unit place and put it as the right side of the answer. Now you will better understand it with the help of one example. Suppose I want to multiply 52 with 52. It means I want to calculate 52 square. So we will apply this first step. Add 25 to the digits in the unit place. If you will see here, unit place digit is 2. So what we will do? We will add 25 to the unit place digit. So that is here 27. So that this value 27 value we will put it as the left part of the answer. Put it at the left part of the answer means here I am going to put that is 27. And thereafter the second part is square the digit in the unit place and put it as the right side of the answer. So if you will observe here, what is the digit in the unit place? That is 2. So we will square it. That is 2 square. That is 4. But always remember, whatever we will replace here, right place, the digit at the right place, that should be of 2 digits. So that is why I will write 0 before it. So 2704. So what is the final answer? 2704. That is 52 square. So I hope students this concept is quite clear to you, but still I will be discussing few more examples. So suppose I want to evaluate 53 whole square. So that is 53 into 53. As per the first step, as I told you, there are two steps. So as per the first step, we will add 25 to the unit digit. So that is 25 plus 3, that is 28. Here unit place digit is 3. So that 28 I will be writing in the left part of the answer. So that is here I will be writing it. And thereafter, what is the step 2? Step 2 is we will just multiply the unit digit with itself. It means square of unit digit. So that is 9, but I want here 2 digit number. So it means that is why we will be writing here 09 at the place of 9, and that particular term we will be writing in the right part of the answer, that is 09 here. So our final answer is 2809. One more example I would like to discuss, that is 54 square. So 54 square means 54 into 54. So students, here again we will write the step 1. Step 1 is just add 25 to the unit digit. Our unit digit here is 4. So 25 plus 4 is 29 and put it in the left part. So here it is 29. And then what is the step 2? Step 2 is just square the unit digit. So that is 16. It is automatically 2 digit number. So that is why we will not write 0 before 16. Okay. So that will be 16 here. And that 16 is written in the right part of the answer. So final answer is 2916. So one more example is here. Suppose I want to multiply, I want to square 57. So that is 57 into 57. So students, if you will see here, in this one, our unit digit is 7. So as per the step number 1, I will be adding 25 to this unit digit. So 25 plus 7 is what? 25 plus 7 is 32, and this will be written in the left part. So here 32 I have written. And then what is the step number 2? Step number 2 is just square the 7, so that is 49. It is automatically 2-digit number, and that number we will be writing as the right part of the answer, so that is 49. Our final answer is here 3249, 3249. So one last example in this video, in this part, is like 59 whole square. So that is 59 into 59. So students, again we will be writing the step 1. Step 1 is what? We will be adding 25. We will be adding 25 to the unit digit. So unit digit is 9. So 25 plus 9 is equal to 34, and that part I will be writing as the left part of the answer. So 34 I have written here. And what is the step number 2? Our step number 2 is just square the unit digit. So that is 9 square, that is 81, and we will be writing that term in the right part of the answer, that is 81. So what is the final answer? 3481. I hope students, all these examples will be very much helpful in your preparation of Vedic mathematics. Thank you so much for watching this video.